Hi, Michael from Masseuse Massage. I'm here today to talk about the awesome Pinnacle Plus Massage Chair. If you're sitting in this at home and you're wondering how to use the remote control, this is basically a quick start guide on how you can sit in the chair, have an amazing massage as quickly as possible. So basically, you take a seat, turn the chair on, it will recline into its starting position, and it will also do a 30-second scan of your back so that the chair recognizes exactly how tall you are, where your pressure points are, how wide your shoulders are, etc. And then it can customize the massage just for you. I like to sit in the second zero gravity position, so if you press this button twice, it will take you all the way back into zero gravity position. Then I would also suggest putting the hot stone massage on. That's a carbon fiber heating that's going to make your back feel amazing. It's going to make your muscles more elastic and allow the deep tissue to do a better job. The other thing you want to do is select an automatic program. 7 options there. I personally would go for ache relief or relief. That is the strongest of the automatic programs. That's all you have to do to get an amazing quick start in the Pinnacle Plus. We hope you enjoy your massage and you get a better night's sleep tonight.